Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Lockout, Tag Out Lock Tuesday. Hashtag it Loto Lock Tuesday, the day we feature the locks that keep our work safe. Today I've got this no-name oldie for you. It is locked up. It has been picked once. I've got it open once. It was in someone's drawer. It had functioned or something. Anyway, it was taken out of service and then given to me. So it's probably been sitting in someone's drawer for about 10 years. 20 years by the look of the design, and hard plastic outside with pretty heavy, so I'd say steel body with a brass core. So it does have locking pawls, so it would be shimmable, but it's a little bit rusty up in there, so I'm going to try and core shim this. I have been trying to pick it, but to no success, so we shall see if it's shimmable. Haha, yes it is. It did go in. Okay. Now, Loto Lock Tuesday, so explore them, explode them, have fun with them, and I might just have to move this camera out of the way because I've got it down too low. Explore them, explode them, pick them, do all sorts of cool things. So core shimming, so if there is no shielding around the base of the core, then you are able to put a shim in between the core, the plug and the shear line. That's the shear line and the top of the Bible, and you just work it in. If it goes in, you got half the chance of it being shimmable, and then you sort of do some funky stuff with your hands and you're pushing in the shim as you're lifting the pins with the hook. And so you lift the pins and then you let it drop. So as the pin lifts, the core shim moves forward slightly. Don't be pushing too hard on the core shim because it will bind against the next pin and you won't be able to get it through, so just take it easy with that one. Just nice and light, gentle. So lift the pin, let it drop, and you feel it moving forward. I'll show you how to do this without blocking the view. So I don't know why this was able to be picked once and not able to be picked again. It was pretty difficult to pick the first time. It felt really weird as far as the pins went. They felt really mushy, like they were going up into dirt, grease. See the core of the shim's just going in. You feel it keep going in. Just keep sort of raking those pins. Push them up past the shear line, let them drop back down, and the shim takes over that shear line, stops the top pins dropping down. Through the shear line into the key pin chamber, and then we're able to open the lock this way. So I'm not sure how many pins this one has. We shall find out. Get this open. Now just be a little bit gentle with the core shim because they are sharp. If you do a lot of shimming, you will find out that you do get little nicks in your fingers. So if you find you're getting stuck, you're getting nowhere, just back it out a little bit. You could be binding on that pin you're after. Yep, I think we're all the way in, I'm not sure. Just, yep, nothing. Oh, might be one up the back. Yep. I think we might be able to turn the core now. Let's find out. Tension tool in there. Just got stuck. That's it. Try another one. Okay, looks like it just turns to there. 2 o'clock. It's open. Nope. Okay. That is shimmed. It's definitely open. So, okay, so this is the problem. The locking pole. That's why it was taken out of service. So that's open. Oh, can't turn any further. Alright. What have we got in here? Nope. There's no screw in there. Okay. So maybe these ones were designed as throwdowns, you know. When you've done enough, it's done enough service, you chuck them out. I wonder if this comes off. And that's just eaten into the plastic. Okay. I sure need to explore this one some more. Find out what's going on. How many pins has it got? It's hard to tell, 6 or 7, I don't know. Six, I think. That back chamber might be empty, I'm not sure. I really want to get it open now. I don't know what's inside. I'll get this open. If anyone knows how to get this one open, all I need to do is have a look whether it's worth getting open or whether I should keep it as a collector's item. I don't know what sort of lockout, tagout lock this is. Anyone has any information on this lockout, tagout lock, leave it in the description, not the description, in the comments below. Comments below, yes. Well, I have been having some YouTube issues with comments. YouTube has been disabling the comment section of all my videos straight after I post them. I have to keep going in there 4 or 5 times and keep changing the settings. Why is this? Why does YouTube have me on an algorithm where it's disabling my comments when I have default settings that say allow all comments. Why is this happening after a couple of months of being away? That's what I want to know. Does anyone know out there, anyone techie enough to tell me how do I get off this YouTube algorithm ride? Because it's very frustrating when you use the comment section as your main communication tool with lop sporters, and then you find out that you've unable to because they keep disabling the comments. And it doesn't just happen to recent videos I upload. They've gone through back catalogue of stuff, my whole content, 60 videos at least I've had to change the settings on again. So if anyone understands what's going on, can they let me know? Greatly appreciated. Well, that's it for me. Hashtag it Loto Lock Tuesday. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.